Hi there, kindergartners. I hope you're doing awesome. I'm super excited to see you. I've got my slate ready and a dry erase marker, and I think it would be super fun if you would pause the video if you don't have your slate and your marker with you so that we can work together. Okay, so go ahead and pause your video to get your slate and dry erase marker, and then we can work together. Now, not too long ago, I read you a math book about dominoes and using dominoes for addition. So today, we are going to add both sides of a domino together to see what we get in total, what the sum is. And I have some super fun, super big dominoes that I'm going to use for our activity today. Now, my first domino shows one dot on one side plus 5 on the other, making how many altogether? You can count them. Right, we have a total of 6. So the way we would write that is 1 plus 5 equals 6. And remember, when we are adding, the number order does not matter, because 1 plus 5 equals 6 is the same thing as saying 5 plus 1 equals 6. And I can show you, using this domino, that it doesn't matter if it's facing this way or this way, it will always still have 6 total dots, right? Because 1 plus 5 and 5 plus 1 both equal 6. So I'm going to erase that equation, that number sentence, and I'm going to pull out another domino, and I'm going to let you add this one. You could always use your fingers as well for most of them. If we had 6 plus 6, we would not have enough fingers because 6 plus 6 equals 12. But for this, go ahead and write this many dots plus this many dots. And I will show you how I would write this problem. And we'll see if yours matches mine. All right. So I would write 1 plus 3 equals 4 all together. I could also flip it over and say 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3 equals 4. And you can even do that on your fingers. You can show addition in many ways. You could draw a picture. You could use beans. You could even make up a story. There were 3 kids doing their awesome work with Mrs. King. And then one more kid joined. And then there were 4 children all together doing awesome brick to click with Mrs. King. Okay, so for this one, we have 0. 0 is an important number. It means that there is nothing on that side, that we don't have any. Then how many do you see over here? Awesome. So I am going to write an equation that shows 0 plus 6. So if we add 0 to a number, then we end up with a total of that same number because we're not putting any more with it, right? We're not adding more. It will stay the same. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Also, 6 plus 0 is still 6 because you're not adding any more. So I'm going to hold up another domino for you to add. And while you write the math equation, I'll erase my board. If you don't have your slate, you can always hold up this many fingers. I'll let you know if the numbers get too high for that, because then you'll have to use your toes. All right, so here we have 3 plus 6. So write 3 plus 6 on your slate. It will look like this. 3 plus 6 equals, I think my video stopped and started again, so we'll see how that works. That's new to me. So we've got 3 plus 6, and I wrote it on the slate. It looks like this. This is the equation. 3 plus 6 equals, and let's count it together to see what it does equal all together. So we have 3. We know we're starting with 3, and let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 dots all together because 3 plus 6 equals 9. Now if I were to flip it over, flip it around so that the numbers change order, that's still okay. We're still going to get the same answer. Okay? So if we start with 6 and then we count on, we know that this has 6. So let's keep counting on. 7, 8, 9. We still get the same answer. We could count all of them, but when we subitize and we use our superpower to look at a number and just know what it is, we can count on from there. But let's count them all just to be safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And I want you to remember, circle first and then the line. That's how we make the number 9. We don't want to put the line first and then the circle, because then we've got P, and that's not a number, that's a letter. So circle first and then the line, that's how we make the number 9. The direction that our numbers face is very important, boys and girls. Let's do one more giant domino addition. Go ahead and write the math equation for this one. I'm going to write it as well. So we have 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So there are lots and lots of fun things that we can do with dominoes. We can match them, but we can also use them to practice adding, and it's a lot of fun. So thank you for joining me today for Domino Edition, and I will see you soon.